So I've got this big problem. My forehead's a little bit bumpy here, and after using Apple Vision Pro for only 30 to 40 minutes, I get bumpy forehead pain right here. The other problem I have is that I get a red mark around my eyes. I call it Vision Pro raccoon eyes. Do you have this problem too? Well, thanks to the team at Globular Cluster, they sent me their comfort accessories today to try, and let's go ahead and check it out.
Alright, we've got two boxes here. The first one here is the Globular Cluster FPA1 facial pads. The other one, the big box here, is the Globular Cluster CMA1 Comfort Mod for AVP First Gen. So there you go. That's the two products. First one, second one. Let's start with the facial pads. So inside we have a whole bunch of these pads right here. Alright, here we got the facial pads. They come in 3 different materials. Each material comes in 2 different thicknesses. There's a magnetic attachment here. So this is the magnetic attachment piece, and it comes with 2 of those. If you don't like the magnetic attachment piece because it is a little bit thick, they come with these Velcro dots as well too. The documentation says most people will not use the dots and most people will just use the magnetic attachment. The first material type is this polyurethane material. This is sweat proof. So this is good for demos, or if you're playing games or something more active. This is much easier to wipe the sweat off and clean. The second material, I think this is the original material. This is a cloth type material. It'll absorb your sweat so your face won't get as sweaty, and it is washable. You can just throw this in the washer. Third one is another cloth type material. Apparently this type of material, very similar to what comes with the Apple Vision Pro actually. Also, it absorbs sweat. It's washable, but it also has a little bit better heat dispersion properties compared to this one. This is probably the most comfortable one, but if you're going to be doing demos, you definitely don't want to use this because you're going to be absorbing everybody's sweat. So here we go again, 3 material type. Alright, now let's go ahead and unbox the CMA1 Comfort Mod for Apple Vision Pro. Gen 1, they do have a Gen 2 already, which they're already shipping to people who bought it, but they sent me the Gen 1. Yeah, I'm not sure what the difference is. You can check out their website. And ta-da! Here we go. Alright, so this is the Globular Cluster CMA1 Comfort Mod for Apple Vision Pro. You can see that what it comes with is, here is the actual device strap. Comes with 4 paddings. These 2 paddings, I guess it will go across your forehead like this. Again, it comes in 2 materials. One is more of a sweat-proof material, and one is a cloth material which will absorb sweat but is washable. And then it comes with 2 different pads that will go on the back of your head like this. And again, 2 materials. One is more sweat-proof and one will absorb sweat. Alright, let's go ahead and do the install now. Here is my Apple Vision Pro. I'll go ahead and remove the solo knit band. There you go, bye. My Apple Vision Pro looks a little bit weird. It's got this USB dongle thing here. It's because I have the developer version of the audio strap. It comes with a USB-C port that allows for easier development. So let's take the light seal off and let's go and give this a try. The instructions basically say you just clip this from the top to the bottom of the battery strap like that. And let's do the other side. Okay, there you go. That is on now. It does add quite a bit of weight. Hopefully that'll be made up for in comfort. Let's go ahead and try it out. Just tight. Snap back. This is definitely very much more comfortable. It's almost like weightless at this point. And we are on. Holy cow, this is the coolest thing ever. So it's definitely a different feel without the light seal because you have much more peripheral vision, and it was able to do the iris recognition. And I just got a warning say I'm too far from the displays, so I'm gonna have to adjust this. So Globular Cluster says you can slide these forward and back. Apple Vision Pro is designed for your eyes to be at a certain distance from the lenses. One of the reasons why there's so many different light seal versions, because they want to get your eye at just the right distance for the best optical clarity. Man, this is amazing. It feels like there's like no weight on my head at all. It feels so light. This is just the coolest thing ever. I'm definitely going to be using this in the future. Man, I'm just shocked by how much more comfortable this is. I feel with this mod, I can use this headset for like hours on end. There's nothing on my face right now because I'm not using the light though, right? I definitely feel no facial pressure at all. All the pressure is on the top of my forehead and the back of my head. And these are just super fans. Yeah. I'm gonna have to do a long-term review, but my first impression is very, very good. Let me go ahead and try some of the other materials. Okay, so the head back piece, this is a giant rubber piece. It's much heavier than the padded pieces actually. So I think the padded pieces might be even more comfortable. And then the top forehead strap is very easy to change too. It's all just this felt material that connected to Velcro right here. Ooh, the cloth ones are nice and soft. Let's go ahead and give them a try. Ooh, the cloth feels much better with the normal light seal. Complaint-wise, changing the pads was a little bit difficult because it's all just a giant Velcro attachment. So getting it placed exactly right was a little bit hard sometimes. I had to like Velcro it in and it might be off a little bit here and there. And I would have to try 2 or 3 times before I could get it just right. But my first impressions of this device, the Globular Cluster Comfort Mods, are very, very, very positive. It's definitely a game changer. Being able to use your Apple Vision Pro without the light seal and having more peripheral vision brings a lot of comfort. Moving the pressure off of my face, especially since I have the bumpy forehead problem, and moving it onto the top of the forehead and the back of the head, it's definitely much more comfortable. It almost feels weightless. It's pretty amazing. And then the materials, the padding's super ultra thick. I used the thinner padding and that was enough for me already. The only negative sides I would say so far, it's a little bit hard getting your eyes placed in just the right position sometimes. A little bit fiddly. Apple's setup, you pretty much just put it on, your eyes end up in the right place pretty easily. It's almost like guaranteed to be in the right place. This one is kind of fiddly. You'll get some warning messages from Apple that your eyes need to be a little bit more to the left, the device needs to be a little bit higher or lower, and you kind of have to fidget with it a little bit to get in the right position. Once it's in the right position though, everything's pretty good. Everything's very clear. Eye tracking, hand tracking, everything works well. Thank you again, Globular Cluster, for sending this to me. I enjoyed this device. It's going to stay on my Vision Pro for now, and I will be trying this out for the next few weeks probably. All right, see y'all.
Now check out this video to find out all the accessories you should get for your Apple Vision Pro.